Welcome to this new TIAPortal tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to start TIAConnect in headless mode. When the application is launched, it determines whether a graphical user interface is available. If no graphical interface is detected and no action is performed, the application launches automatically in headless mode, without TIAPortal interface. This is specific to Siemens TIAPortal, allowing to launch an instance of TIAPortal in the background without a graphical user interface. After a few seconds, an alert message appears indicating that the TIAPortal has started and that the TIAConnect application has requested permission to connect to TIAPortal in headless mode. You have the possibility to confirm authorization for the current request by clicking on Yes, or you can choose to always allow this application by clicking on the Yes to All button, in which case this authorization will be valid for all subsequent launches. Once validated, the application automatically launches the TIAConnect graphical interface. You are now connected to the graphical interface of TIAConnect, and the TIAConnect interface is connected to its corresponding TIAPortal instance in headless mode.